This is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete your activity on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Your activity is where you can view and manage things like your photos, likes, account history, and activity on Instagram. To access your Instagram activity, you must be logged into your account. And from your activity, you can view how much time you spend on Instagram each day, archive multiple posts and you've shared, and you can view and delete photos and reels you shared. And if you want to delete your activity from Instagram, you can, first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can tap on your profile. Tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. Tap on settings and privacy. Tap on account center. Now you can tap on your information and permissions. You can see there is an option, your activity of Meta Technologies. You can tap on that. In this menu, in this feature, your activity of Meta Technologies, your activity of Meta Technologies includes information that business and organizations share with us about your interaction with them, such as visiting their apps or websites. You can delete it. What you can do, you can control or disconnect the information that business send to Meta. If you want to delete, you can tap on Clear Previous Activity. Your activity history will be disconnected from your account. You can tap on Clear. When you clear your activity history, your choices will be applied to all of your account that you've linked in Account Center. Your activity history will be disconnected from your account. This doesn't currently include Quest activity. Instagram will continue to receive your activity from the business and organization that you visit in the future. You'll still see the same number of ads, but the ads you see may be less personalized to you. Now you can tap on Clear Previous Activity. Now your activity on Instagram has been cleared. You can see there's no more recent activity on my Instagram. So that is how to clear or delete your activity on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!